So let's start writing our first code. So here in your scripts tab, click new and repository. Let's create a repository with our name or our ID. And then from that, let's create a repository called classes. GOG 348. Okay, so now we have our first repository. Let's now start with a basic visualization for an image. The first thing we'll do is to, I'll teach you guys. Remember that I told you that you can check the docs. So here in the docs, you have a lot of functions and how to work with them for each type of each goal that you have within Google Earth Engine. Okay. For example, if you want to export an image to your Google Drive, you can just type export in the search bar, click here over the function you want, and then you'll see here the function export.image.to-drive, and then on the parentheses you see a lot of parameters that you will pass to this function, and each parameter have a description or description to what it does and what it requests. An important thing is that what's in italic, it's not mandatory for you to pass to this function. So yeah, here the only mandatory parameter is the image one. Okay, so let's go to scripts. Let's go here, sorry, and let's pull out some Sentinel data. Let's choose the level multispectral. Let's get the harmonized one, level 2A. Okay, so once you searched and selected a sample data set, you see this tab or this pop-up window where you have all the informations about this data set. You have all the informations about the bands. So you have the name, the description, the minimax values, the resolution, the units, and the wavelength, and the scale. This is a multiplicative value, so you can get your values right in the right unit. Here we don't have a unit, but for example, if you're working with precipitation data from chirps, this unit would be millimeters per day. And yeah, here you have all the bands. You have the image properties. This is the metadata for those who are used to working with satellite imagery. And for example, as I mentioned in class, you can filter it according to the cloudy pixel percentage. Okay. Okay. In here, you have the data set availability. For this one, we have data from 2017, the provider, and also the collection snippet. This collection snippet, it's like the ID for this collection, for this data set. Each data set has its own image collection. Oh, sorry. Each data set has its own ID, its own social security number. And you also can see the example here. So let's see an example. Remember that I told you guys that it gives you a snippet code ready to run. This is what I meant. So here you have your example script for this area here. Okay, let's get back here and click on okay, so I'll end up this video here so it's not too long. And on the next one, we'll see how to actually write script here. Let's then click close here. Okay, see you guys next time.